Well, hello everybody and welcome back to Lisa's Coloring Corner. Sally Berry came out with yet another new book. This one is called Beautiful Birds. So that is the front cover. The back cover with 4 images from inside the book. So let us see. Come on. Okay, so we have our title page, our nameplate page. Their nameplate pages are always so cute. Always nice and colorable. Here is their standard read this before you start. Color test page. And then we get into the pictures. As always, it is on Amazon paper, single-sided with black on the reverse. Oh, isn't that pretty? Oh, look at the owls. The mama and the baby. Would be kind of nice to know what birds they are, right? Not that you have to color them realistically. Oh, look at the peacocks. I know a lot of other people say that peacocks are so difficult to color, and I have to agree. Oh, beautiful eagle. Oh, so pretty. The nice, thick, dark line art. Oh, some more owls. So, markers would definitely work in here. A lot of flowers and leaves in here too, of course. This is not quite as simplistic and easy as many of their other books, which is okay. A little more detail to this one, but boy, gorgeous pictures. But yet they're not too detailed, you know? I think they're just right. They're nice large images where you could stray color with marker if you want, or you can lay down some marker and go over and shade with pencils, or just do straight pencils too. As usual, they have in the back of the book opportunity to get 10 extra images to download for free. Join their Facebook group, Sally Berry Coloring. Here's their social media information, Facebook, Instagram, and they are on YouTube, where they do flip-throughs of all their new books. And here are all their new books. I mean, they just keep expanding and expanding. They really have been pumping out the new books, haven't they? All right, and then we do have a couple of blank sheets in the back for testing out your mediums, getting a color palette together, etc. So, just a quick video to show you Sally Berry's latest book, Beautiful Birds. I will link this book down below in the description in case you are interested in it too. I hope you enjoyed the flip through. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when I put out new videos. I hope everybody's having a great day, and as always, happy coloring. Bye guys.